Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is absolutely mesmerizing. A stunning red smoky eye with a touch of golden glitter. This tutorial is incredibly easy, so join me as we create this captivating look step by step, and let's get started. Well, I used this single eyeshadow in a red shade as my base, but unfortunately I dropped it and the eyeshadow broke. Anyway, I use a fluffy brush or a blender brush to apply the eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and then I blend it with sweeping motions to ensure there are no harsh lines. I also blend the crease area of my eyelid with the brush to eliminate any harsh lines there. Keep blending until the eyeshadow behind your eyelid becomes seamless and you are satisfied with the result. It's all about making it look smooth and seamless, so take your time and work it in there. Next, I'm using this gorgeous vibrant red eyeshadow. It's really eye-catching. I'm using the same brush. I apply a little bit of the eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyelid, then blend it towards the center, extending the color as I go and blend it out. Blending is like magic for eye makeup. It's all about gently mixing the colors together so they look smooth and perfect with no weird lines or patches. Now it's time for the black eyeshadow. I want the outer corner of my eyelid to have a dark smoky effect, so I lightly apply a very small amount of black eyeshadow to the outer corner. Blending the black eyeshadow can be a bit tricky, so gradually add more shadow and blend it well. If you notice that the outer corner of your eye looks patchy or has harsh lines, don't worry. Sometimes we don't have time to blend it perfectly, so many people use tape to create a clean edge. However, I prefer use a brush and concealer at the end to fix any harsh lines. As I mentioned before, to make the eye makeup process easier, you can use tape, but I don't want to have a visible line at the edge of my eyelid. I want the eyeshadow at the outer corner of my eyelid to blend and diffuse nicely, so I'll try using a fluffy blending brush to lift and blend the outer corner again. The next step is this gorgeous golden glitter eyeshadow, and let me tell you, it looks absolutely stunning with this color combination. I'm a glitter lover and gold glitter is one of the attractive options for eye makeup. I apply the glitter with my finger to the center of my eyelid and blend it out. It truly shines and looks beautiful. I use this style of eyeliner where I create a wing starting from the outer corner of my eye and extend it towards the center. Since my eyes are puffy, I usually continue the line until the middle of my eyelid. Now for the lower lash line, use the same eyeshadow color with a small flat brush, apply it from the outer corner towards the center and blend it. This eye makeup technique is easy and stunning. I recommend following along step by step with me. We will cover the rest of the lower lash line with glitter. Our eye makeup is complete. To finish off the look, I suggest using mascara and false eyelashes. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. And also, if you're interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on any videos. I really appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.